Hello, and this is a video tour of 113 North Claremont Street in San Mateo. This is the exterior of the building. It's located in a very, very quiet location and very convenient as well. Okay, so up a couple of steps is your private balcony. This is the view from the front entrance here. This home has double pane windows. There's your mailbox. You walk into this nice light-filled living room. There are beautiful wood floors throughout. You have a ceiling fan, lots of windows that lets in an abundance of natural light. There are 3 bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. This one is located on the street, but it is very, very quiet here. And this room also has a good-sized closet. And this goes all the way back. There are sliding doors with mirrors, which is convenient as well. All the bedrooms are pretty equal in size. Across the way is the second bedroom. And you also have a nice walk-in closet here. So here is the closet, and you have another closet inside the closet. Okay. Now for the third bedroom. These 2 bedrooms are located off the street. There is a second home in the back of the lot, but this one here is completely detached. Also in the hallway, you have private stackable laundry machines. And finally, my favorite part of the home, a beautiful, completely renovated kitchen. You have a stainless refrigerator, dishwasher, gas range. It is open to a nice dining area here. The full bathroom is tucked away in the back here. It is large, and there's your sink, toilet, and you have a bathtub and shower combination with glass enclosure. And there's your shower head. So good water pressure here. Out this back door is a landing, and this unit comes with 2-car tandem parking outside, your tandem with yourself, as well as a garage for storage. If you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsinsf.com. Thank you.